Hi everyone. I am sure there are students who are capable of getting the highest marks in the world, highest marks in the country. There are some other students who need a little bit of additional support, little bit of additional push. That's why we are coming up with PWP program, where we'll try to identify the students who are capable of, mostly who are interested in, to give that fight. We'll put them into a slightly different group. We will be doing one-to-one coaching with them. We'll give them a little bit of additional work, more follow-up with them, and they will be able to work with the prize winners from the past. We have been having most of the prize winners for our courses so far in the past. I'm sure we have been doing something right, and the students have been doing something great as well. So we will get you to talk to them, associate with them, look at what their strategy were as well. More importantly, we will set you the prize winner's mind. Without that, you can't get it even though you have the capabilities. So all that we will do for you. Join us at Nanaska. We have the courses for OCS, MCS and SCS. Write to us at info@nanaska.com. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Leon Fambek. I was the SIMA May MCS 2019 prize winner and I joined classes with Nanaska.com. I want to mention a few things which stood out from the classes and helped me to get the prize in 2019. So the first thing was we did 6 mocks and we got individual attention from Channa sir on the way we wrote the mocks and his personal feedback. And also the online forum, which was really helpful because we could go at our own pace and we could study when we had time and we could adjust to the busy schedules. Also, the financial part of SIMA, which is the F2 subject in the management level, was really hard. However, when it came to the MCS, Channa sir gave us a separate document which was the financial mock. It was really helpful because it had all the past papers which contained the financial questions. So after doing that, we got a really good understanding about the financial part and what was to be asked in the NCS. After every mock, we had a discussion on what students did wrong and what was the ideal answer which was expected by the examiner. This was really helpful to get a really good insight on how to write the mock exams. If you have your case study exam coming up, I would strongly recommend you to join Nanaska.com and ensure a really good result.
Hi, I'm Aniki. I was the prize winner for the November 2019 Strategic Case Study exam. It was definitely challenging to prepare for the exam while concentrating on my university studies, but Channa sir provided us with the guidance, support, and all the study resources needed to face the exam successfully. For me, the mock exams were extremely useful and they helped me to face the exam with confidence. I did all the mocks, I submitted them on time, and the feedback I received along with the answer reviews really helped me to identify my mistakes, improve my writing style, and finally present an answer that caters to the requirements of the exam. The study materials were also very useful to gain a clear understanding of the industry and the pre-scene, and the Nanaska forum was very convenient because I could access a lot of notes and videos online whenever I needed to refer to them.
I was able to win the Sri Lankan Prize for the strategic case study in February 2020. For this achievement, the Nanaska team helped me immensely by providing me motivation and guidance. The mock exams provided by Nanaska were extremely helpful for me when preparing for the exam. The 7+ mock exam questions were based on past case study questions and also questions based on the current case that I was studying. The quality of the Nanaska team was reflected when similar questions from the mock exams showed up during the exam. Time management and typing speed are critical factors to pass the exam. The Nanaska team understood this early on and proactively worked on improving our typing speed and our time management skills. One of the main tools they use is their exam engine. The exam engine closely mimics the SIMA case study exam engine. The exam engine helped me face the case study with more confidence. Given the breadth of the case study content, I sometimes found it difficult to balance my work and studies. But the fact that all the content including the mock exams and the materials, are online help me put extra hours when preparing for the exam. This online platform makes learning a bit more flexible. Finally, Channa sir's teaching is what helped me pass the exam and win the prize. His expertise in SEMA case study was apparent from the start. He is very thorough in his teaching and he covers all the bases that needs to be covered for a student to pass. This includes the pre-seen material, the syllabus that will be asked on the exam day, and also the industry knowledge specific to the case. Personally, for me, the way that he taught us to approach the question with the right mindset and how to deliver a good answer is what helped me the most on the exam day. I also wish the best of luck for anyone who is preparing for the case study exams.